tooth bingo with candy.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Alright. You have 5 slots. This is for the Sweet Tooth Bingo. You have M&M, Kit Kat, Hershey's, Oreo, and Reese's. So when I say Reese's 1, you're going to put it on the Reese's column, okay? I'll call out the number 2. So if I say 15, I'll say 1-5 so you'll understand, okay? Alright. So we're going to get... Alright.
Melting in my hands.
M&M 14, M&M 14,
Red one.
Hershey 38, Hershey 3-8. You got it right here. 3 and 8.
Any of Hershey's?
Kit Kat 21, Kit Kat 21, 2-1. You got it right there.
It looks like she's bingo.
Yay!
I got a medal and some treats. And this is my favorite. Ooh, these two. And here's and a purple goodie bag. So I'm going to put my stuff back in so I don't lose it. See, I just lose it. Let me put it back